they did.
Hola.
Hola.
Adelante, pásale.
Gracias. Another couple's here. Another couple. We're so excited. So many cats. She rescued them. It's cute.
There's the two cats outside. There's one cat here. And then we have all this food. Look at that. This is how we're getting started. And here we go.
Here's Cleo.
Cleo. Oh.
She was my first cat, the first rescue. The menu, aguachiles. Aguachiles is a Mexican ceviche from the north of Mexico. Shrimp ceviche. Vamos a hacer tacos al pastor. Vamos a hacer quesadillas, guacamole, salsa taquera y tortillas. I'm going to mail you all the recipes, this plus many others.
Oh, we got some, I forgot what this is called. This is the one with the...
Is it a sangria?
No, it's the horchata. Horchata?
Oh.
De flor, en la flor. Yeah.
Is it refresca?
Refresca, yeah. Horchata refresca, yeah. This one. It's good. We just had some cheese, right?
Yeah, we had some cheese. It was probably the best cheese I've ever tasted.
Yeah, apparently because it melts, right? Like really nicely.
What do we have?
Wine, beer, hibiscus, water. 5 with hibiscus. Wine, please. Wine. Vino.
Beer, please.
Cerveza.
How was the shrimp cutting? Good?
I think I might need to be a chef. Pretty good.
And right now, the acid of the land is gonna break the protein and start to cook the shrimp in this very moment. You're gonna see that start to look pink, you see? Right now it's gray and now it's start to look white and pink. Pure chemistry, chicos.
And I like it with this. It looks like nice.
Vamos a moler.
Let me just see. Oh, yeah.
Guacamole. Okay. You gotta give me a taste test.
Eso.
What does it taste like?
That's so good.
So good? Okay, I gotta try now. If it's warm, I like warm better than cold. I was gonna ask that.
Only 2 spoons. We need vinegar to add the acid part. But the vinegar has to be white, okay? Because if we use balsamic, it has a flavor. If we use wine, it has a flavor. We just need acidity pure. 2 spoons of vinagre blanco, por favor. Hermosuras de la creación.
This one is the what?
I forgot.
I don't know, I forgot. But let's taste it. You go first.
That's good.
Yeah? Alright, everybody, my turn.
Honey, okay.
Oh, I gotta have all of it?
Yes, have all of it. You're...
I can taste the pineapple.
Pineapple at the end?
I love pineapple. Pineapple? I really can taste the pineapple more than anything.
Yeah. I like it.
Chicos, when you have a bite of your aguachile, it's not to have a bite of this. A bite of the aguachile and a bite of this, both flavors in your mouth, is delicioso. Pásame las salsitas, la picante. Remember we made a bit of tomatillo, garlic, and chile habanero.
You like it?
I can taste the lime.
The lime.
Sí, nosotros,
kick
somebody wants
from
to
the
add
Yeah?
Got a little
spice
bit.
to the food, this is the one, okay? Which one you like spice, you like? So, look, something like this. Let's start with 1 spoon, mix and see if you want to add more, please, and then pass it to the next. Exactly. I will tell you why. Saving
All right, here it is.
Estaba así
Look at
esta
little.
cosa, me llevo esto.
That's strong.
Not strong,
It
no.
smells strong.
You say you have to kiss it.
Oh, you have to kiss it?
Don't
Did we kiss it already?
don't go back. Just take a
Oh,
small.
just kiss it. Oh, I thought you meant literally kiss the cup.
Oh, good boy.
Clearly, we don't drink. Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
That's like, I can still feel it in my throat.
That's like the strongest, and I just barely took a sip.
I can't. It's tequila.
Yeah. Mezcal, I think. Oh my god, it's so strong.
And you can still feel it in my throat.
Yeah, no, I can't do it.
That's what we're looking for. Eso. Más agua. Más agua, mi vida. Échale más agua. Más. Stop. Ahí estás. Ahora sí, con ganas, mijo. Échale como que yo quiero tortillas.
All right, LJ, look at you.
I added too much water. So.
Too much water?
Yep. I'm fired.
No, that's fine.
Perfecta.
Can fix it. She put more.
A ver, mi vida. A ver, así, chiquito, por idea. Like this. Okay, I want tortillas. I want to eat tortillas. Bueno, chicos, you come with your tortillita hanging, okay? You can close, very close, you're gonna burn your hand. And very high, give me. Okay, see, like this, to the front. Like that. Set. Now, when we flip it, the sign is gonna be in the borders, like the pancakes. The first part that is gonna cook are the borders. When the borders start to lift a little bit, that's the moment to flip, because the part touching the pan is cooked, so we don't break the tortilla in the hand. Now, you see here, all blisters, no? A bit more blister, give it like a little minute. We have to cook the part touching the pan. No, not even a minute, 20 seconds.
And then she says to press it down just a little bit. But don't get sick.
Not too much. I can put it up. Oh, I did it? Is that good? No, I didn't need to be skinnier, right?
Well, no, because we're going to flip it this way. Okay, press it down a little bit. Here, press it down a little bit more. There we go.
Oh, that's better.
Okay. And we're going to put a little bit
You got your tortilla?
I think I'm going to be a chef again.
Okay. All right, we gotta take it. Everybody's taking it to the little pan thing with no oil, taking it. And then they put it in this little thing, little blankets.
A ver, qué hermoso, pase usted por acá, por acá,
What do you
muy
think?
bonita.
Oh.
Great size, qué bonita, yes. Perfecta.
Ahí está, ya está al tiro.
Perfecta.
Sí, sí.
Natural. Ready to eat. Table is set.
That's good. You made that, honey.
No, we make quesadillas
Yeah.
and tacos. Right?
That's real cheese right there.
Alright, we're gonna end our vlog here. It was amazing. We didn't have dessert though. I think it's because we had quesadillas instead. Quesadillas? What am I saying? Quesadillas. So yeah.
Quesadillas and tacos del pastor.
Yeah.
So we are incredibly full. However, I still have room for dessert.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pop, but
Well, we
I
still
can
have
always...
some cookies.
Oh yeah,
Those-
that's right. But I might need
anyways,
another Snickers.
We'll definitely link it below again. We use Viator, but we'll leave the link below exactly where. And like, if you guys want to use the reference link, feel free. If not, totally cool. But yeah, tell your mama, your mama's mama, your mama's mama's man,
Your abuelita.
your abuelita, your abuelito,
Uh-huh.
your tia, your tío, your
Sobrina,
prima, your
sobrino,
primo,
nietos, if you have some nietas.
to subscribe. Very good thing for couples to do. So definitely recommend. 1000%. She was so sweet.
See you.
Bye.